Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best forceps is probably one of the most indispensable tools for any fly fisher. These seemingly simple instruments are essential for everything from removing hooks to crimping barbs and performing delicate tasks with flies. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fly fishing forceps, exploring their features, and helping you choose the perfect pair to enhance your time on the water. Number 5. Fly Fishing Tools Kit and Accessories Combo. This stainless steel forceps is perfect for removing hooks from any fish. It features a 3-stage locking ratchet for adjustable tension. With a curved tip, it's easy to use in both saltwater and freshwater. This multi-tool is a must-have for any fly fisherman. It combines a line clipper, hook sharpener, and hook eye cleaner. It makes tying knots and maintaining your gear simple and efficient. Keep your tools handy with these Scissor retractors. They have a strong retraction force and attach easily to your vest. You'll never lose your gear again with this handy tool. This lanyard is built to last, made with a steel wire and TPU coating. It's lightweight but strong, with a maximum safety tension of up to 15 pounds. It extends up to 59 inches, giving you plenty of reach. Keep your hooks in top condition with this stainless steel cleaner. It's suitable for all types of flying fish hooks. This tool will help you maintain your equipment. What we like. This forceps features a curved tip, perfect for reaching hooks deep inside a fish's mouth. The 3-stage locking mechanism provides adjustable tension, ensuring a secure grip. If you're looking for a reliable tool to remove hooks from various fish species, this is the one for you. What people say. The forceps appear to be well made and lock tight. The 4" 1 tool has sharp and strong nippers. I like the built-in hook eye cleaner as it is longer than most. Number 4. Booms Fishing FF37 PCS Fly Fishing Tools Kit. This kit is a must-have for fly fishermen. It's a budget-friendly option that gets the job done. This kit is perfect as a gift. This hemostat is great for holding flies while tying knots or mashing barbs. It's also the ideal tool for removing flies from a fish's mouth. These tools are essential for cutting tag ends and opening hook eyes. The retractable design keeps the nipper close by when you need it. This holder is the perfect accessory for keeping your net close. It's always ready in fast currents, and keeps your hands free. This holder can hold up to 5 spools. It easily attaches to your pack or vest with a carabiner. It's convenient and easy to use. What we like. This tool is a true multitasker, combining a line clipper, hook sharpener, and hook eye cleaner. It's designed to make your fly fishing experience more efficient. If you value convenience and want a single tool to handle multiple tasks, you'll find this indispensable. What people say. Nippers cut cleanly and zingers zing like every other I have ever owned. My favorite piece in the kit is the 7.5 curved stainless steel hemostats. Most hemostats have small finger holes and I have big hands. These fit perfectly. No fumbling to get a hold of them. Forceps are smooth and lock nice. Number 3. Ventures Fly Company. Weekend Warrior Starter Package. This package is truly complete. Designed by fly fishing professionals, it's perfect for those eager to start their weekend adventures. It includes everything you need, pre-assembled and ready to go. Just add water. This package gives beginners access to high-quality equipment. It includes an advanced rod, carefully crafted for power and finesse. We use this same gear ourselves, so you don't have to worry about upgrading later. Choosing the right fly can be tricky, but not with this package. It comes with our essential collection of 40 effective, fish-approved flies, along with helpful reference cards. This makes fly selection a breeze, even if you're a beginner. Shortcut your way to success. This package includes a beginner guide and fly identification cards. You'll get the essential techniques to fast-track your fly fishing journey. Nothing more, nothing less. Forget expensive gear. We sell directly to anglers, cutting out the middleman and passing the savings to you. This package gives you a perfect start without the high price tag. Quality is guaranteed. What we like. This Scissor retractor keeps your essential tools within easy reach. The 1.5-ounce retraction force ensures your gear stays secure. If you're tired of losing your nippers or other small tools, this will keep them safe and accessible. What people say. I received shipment in 3 business days and excitedly opened it. Great feel and everything is there. Great casting with this setup, easily handled rig, loaded the rod well and solid accurate cast. Number 2. Surgical Online 5-inch Fishing Forceps Set. Introducing the Surgical Online Fishing Forceps Set. This set includes 2 forceps, one curved and one straight. They are essential tools for any angler. These forceps are made from durable stainless steel. This ensures the highest quality and longevity, making them a reliable part of your fishing gear. The set includes both curved and straight forceps for versatile angling. They are perfect for removing hooks, pinching barbs, and tying knots, suitable for all fishing enthusiasts. The forceps feature a secure locking mechanism with 3 adjustable positions. This allows for a firm grip on small objects and easy hook removal. The serrated jaws provide a secure grip on hooks and other small objects. They are suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, offering precision for every angler. These forceps are designed to solve common angling challenges. They are perfect for extracting fish hooks, tying fishing knots, and straightening hooks. The forceps boast a lightweight design for effortless use and portability. Enhance your fishing gear with these essential angling tools. What we like. This lanyard is built with a steel wire core and TPU coating, offering both durability and a lightweight feel. The 15-pound safety tension provides peace of mind. If you want a reliable and durable lanyard to secure your tools, this is a great choice. What people say. Great quality and works as intended. Help me screw in piercings and works just like intended, and they are super high quality. Durable and good value. Number 1. Dr. Slick Scissor Clamps. Introducing the Dr. Slick Scissor Clamps. These clamps are designed for precision and durability. They are a must-have tool for any fly tying enthusiast. The jaw structure features a unique design. Half of it is smooth, and the other half has a crosshatch pattern. This combination ensures a secure grip on various materials. The pin-in shank provides added stability. This feature allows for precise control during delicate tasks. It ensures that the clamps perform reliably. The clamps come in 2 stylish options. You can choose between gold loops or an all-black design. Select the one that best suits your preference. These clamps are available in straight or curved configurations. This versatility allows you to choose the perfect tool for your specific needs. It provides flexibility in your workflow. They are offered in 3 different sizes, 4, 5.5, and 6.5 inches. This range of sizes ensures that you have the right tool for any project. Choose the size that fits your requirements. What we like. This hook cleaner is made from stainless steel and is designed to work with all types of fly fishing hooks. It's a simple yet effective tool to keep your hooks in top condition. If you want to extend the life of your hooks and ensure they're always ready for action, you should consider this. What people say. They are very sturdy, the locks are just tight enough without being annoying to unlock. The scissors are sharp, great for fly tying or cutting lines, or anything else you would need them for while fishing. The eye cleaner for painted over eyes is a pleasant surprise and very handy. The blades are serrated and cut mono like butter. My favorite part is the line cutter built in. Cuts down on having another thing to carry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.